Hi, how are you today?
Anyway, I'm here for my appointment. My name is Sandra Brown.
Oh, okay. I hate when I'm being super nice to somebody and they just being rude and nasty. Like, who pooped in your cereal? Who hurt you? Because I didn't do it, so why am I getting your attitude? And like, I used to be really offended by it, though, I'm not gonna lie. Like, because I'm just like, hi, how are you? And then you have someone just disregard you completely, which I think it's rude. Like, if I'm saying good morning or hello, how are you? I think the least you can do is say hi. I don't really want an answer back. I mean, if you want to give me back, of course I'm gonna listen. But like, even a simple hi do, like if I'm saying hello, how are you, and you completely disregard me, and you're just like, anyway, so my name is this and that and the third, and this is what I'm here for. It's like, okay, you're rude. And I'm just gonna kill you with kindness because whatever you're going through doesn't have anything to do with me. Your attitude is personally has nothing to do with me. But sometimes if I'm also not in the best mood and someone is being rude, I just be willing to slap them. I know that's not nice to say, but it's like, don't take whatever you're going through out on me. I didn't do anything to you. One thing I always tell people is whatever I am going through in my own personal life, I am not taking it out on anybody, especially like if you're at work. I feel as though you definitely have to learn how to separate personal and business. You can't bring your personal life into work. Trust me, I know. I've been through a lot of things and I've had to go to work like nothing is wrong because at the end of the day, what I'm going through has nothing to do with anybody at work or the people that I interact with while I'm at work. So my thing is, if I'm being nice to you and you're being rude to me, I'm going to kill you with kindness. But you better hope you don't catch me on a bad day because it might not be so friendly. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell, that bell, that bell, that hit that bell, that bell, that bell, so you can get my notifications. Guys, I would love to say happy Friday, but I'm recording this on a Saturday. And I'm literally posting this on a Saturday because I've been slacking. So please forgive me for my slack, but guys, it's the weekend. Ha, ha. It's the weekend. Get it? Ha ha. It's the weekend. What? It's the weekend. Ha 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 ha. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.